Everybody's familiar with it. Saturday morning, some neighbor fires up their chainsaw while you're trying to sleep. Well, it's a little different with this little toy. A few of you have more or less said that it's useless, and I've said that the first battery that I used, I cut almost a face cord, actually pretty close to a face cord of wood, and some big pieces. So let's see if we can get through this gnarly old thing. Let's see how it does. For a battery-powered toy, it does okay. I think the key is, let the tool do the work. A sharp blade helps too, obviously. This wouldn't be an easy cut for my real chainsaw either. Haters gotta hate. But this is a good-sized piece of wood. We're not exactly and we're going against where it comes together in a Y. I figured I'd keep it short because then I can split it up into kindling easier. Haters gotta hate. Why we gotta be this way? Why? That'll be fun with the axe. Yeesh. Oh, look at the gypsy moth larvae. They had that coming.